I don't know why I was waking or placing a different perspective. Something will awaken me because now I realize how nothing is the constant. It's like, I, what's the point? To hype me up so high out of my pessimistic ways, some of my pessimistic ways, only to be let down hard again? Like, why? Is this a game to these gang stalkers, to the so-called gods, aliens, whatever? High self? What? I don't even think none of this is true now. Now that I realized, that no matter how much you try to affirm, and put in work, you probably get even lucky to even get a fraction out of it. If I knew of if there was just a button or something to just say new game or game over, like in the video games, I probably would have been pressed it. That's why in some of my music videos, I'm pressing a button, just destroy everything, and just start over, or just return to nothingness. It seems so much more peaceful, yet lonely and boring. But if it's nothing, you won't even realize you're bored. I don't think. You won't realize anything, because you'll be nothing again. So yeah, I'm still rooting to break out the matrix, to destroy it, to destroy just everything. And just get me out of the equation. Because I think I've done more than enough. And it's yeah, I'm kind of scared because I've been living this long, and when the longer you live in the matrix, you become attached. But it's time to detach, and I'm detaching. And I feel like that's what the point of being alone and being in isolation is, to finally detach from the matrix, to finally detach from these social fabrications of emotions.